Hey there, this is Ben Howard coming to you with this month's real estate market report, giving you all of the information you need about buying and selling homes here in North Texas. I'm coming to you this month from the Howard Group private lake house that we have. Remember, here's my quick commercial right at the beginning. When you list with us, we do way more than a normal real estate agent will do for you. First, we take care of the normal stuff like your marketing, your photography, but then we also take care of staging, no extra cost to you at all. Minor repairs, no extra cost to you at all. Some landscaping stuff, we can help out with that, no extra cost at all. A deep cleaning, we take care of that because there's nothing that's worse when you're getting the house ready and then have to clean the whole thing for a number of hours a day before. But the pièce de résistance is right here in East Texas. For that first weekend, we send you here. You don't have to worry about what to do with the kids. You don't have to worry about where to go when all the showings happen that first weekend. You don't have to worry about what to do with the dogs. Just come out here, completely on us. It's a private lake house. You can enjoy some time just hanging out here. You can go out in the lake. You can do some fishing. You can hang out in the hammock. You can continue to work here if you want, but that would be your own choice. But just remember that if you're looking or you have a friend who's maybe considering listing here pretty soon, hey, you might want to give us a call. We have a great record. It costs nothing more than a normal real estate transaction, and we'd be happy to sit down and work with you and talk about how the whole process works. Hey, but enough with me chatting and patting my own back. Let's get into some of these numbers and see what things are looking like as we get right in here into the sales price. We can see now I have a number of agents who have fought me about this. They said, no, prices are going up, and we can see that prices are as high as ever. Okay, well here's May and June last year, the highest price. Now, I have the whole MLS on here, $400,000. Our highest this year were $386 and $385. I'm not great at math, but it seems lower than, and they would say, you can't do the whole MLS because we need to, we're looking in one particular area. So I work a lot in Denton County. Let me go ahead and bring up Denton County for you here. That's the red line. So red line, the highest last year was May. So Denton County, $500,000. The highest we got this year was $475,000. I'll do one more just to kind of prove my point. Let's go ahead and put in Dallas County. Dallas County, here on the green line, last year we got up to $395,000 as a median, and we got up to $383,000 this year. So one thing that's pretty incredible about this year, and we see that it's kind of in relation to this huge, ridiculous market we had last year and the year before that, we are actually seeing a price correction. Why is it going that way? Because interest rates, in part, were so low the last 2 years, 4%, under 4%, that now that we got back to 7%, it's making these house prices dip. So that is an excellent time if you're thinking about buying your first house. If you're thinking about buying an investment house like this, I can show you exactly how we bought this, how we make money on this right away. If you want to do something like that, is an excellent time because interest rates, while you'll end up paying a little bit more here at the beginning, interest rates go up and down. House prices, as you can see the trend here over the last 10 years, while we have ups and downs, they go to general trend up. So houses are only going to get more expensive. So you can buy here with this interest rate. In a couple of years when it dips back down, or a couple of months when it dips back down, refinance. That way you have a less expensive house at a lower interest rate. So really good news if you're looking to buy. If you're looking to sell and buy, just know that it's still a pretty good time to do both because, again, the rising tide lifts all ships. Hey, let's talk about how many sales we have had. So you can see the normal trend that we have here. In the summer it goes the highest, the summer goes the highest, and then as you're down here in December and January, that's when they close the most. You can see we closed a little bit less this last year, but this is an odd thing that I noticed, that it is going back up now. So we'll have to see how that relates. I mean, we do sometimes have these trends, but it's heading back up and higher than the normal trend. So right now, houses, we've sold a few more than we would have normally at this time. So really something interesting to see on that. I'm going to get rid of these other two because I'm getting confused myself. And now here's the granddaddy. This is the one we always look at last as we're deciding what is the state. Is it good for buyers? Is it good for sellers? This is the month's supply. Remember, if we look nationwide, something like 4 months of supply, that's going to be a neutral market. If it's less than that, then it's a seller's market. If it's higher than that, then it's a buyer's market because there are more houses on there. It's taking them longer to sell. Here, in the MLS, I'm going to go back even further. I'm going to go as long as we've had the MLS, keeping track of this. Our average is in the threes. You can see for a while here, 2015, it was down under, about 1.5 months. We got up here to 4.3 months. When things went crazy in 21 and 22, we got down to 1 month of inventory, which is ridiculous. Now we're back here in 3 months, 3.2 months. We're getting close to a neutral market again. So this is a good time, this time of year, where if you're looking to sell, you're looking to buy, do them both. It's not bad. Now the interest rates are keeping the prices a little bit lower, but again, you're going to pay a little bit more when the interest rates are higher, and then you can refinance back down. Hey, it's really tricky, and there's a whole lot that goes into it. But if you're thinking about this next year, you're buying and selling, or if you're thinking about maybe I need to do an investment, I've got a little bit of money to put down, hey, I'd be happy to answer those questions. There's no commitment to me. There's no hounding you. I'm not going to bug you every day. But if you just want some clear answers about how much it costs, what it takes, how much money you need to have in the bank, hey, I'm happy to do that. I think there's no better investment than you can have than real estate, especially here in North Texas, because it continues to go up. Hey, well, I'm Ben Howard, and this is what it looks like this month.